In front of me is REALME 14T, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by selecting two apps you wish to use in this view and opening one of them you wish to use on the top half of your screen. Then launch it in the background. Click on those three dots at the top right corner and select split screen. Now tap on the second one. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. To go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and hit home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!